Today we are going to make 西药gai or soy sauce chicken using just a rice cooker. Yes, no oven needed. This recipe is simple, flavorful, and perfect for busy families. Let's get started. Here's what you need today: half an onion, a few slices of ginger, 5 small sticks of cinnamon, and a few bay leaves. I know people joke that bay leaves oftentimes don't smell or taste like anything. They might seem simple, but they add an earthy, aromatic note to the dish. This slab sugar is a type of traditional rock sugar. Compared to granulated sugar, it is less refined, often retaining some molasses. It has a more complex flavor with a slight caramel note. You can find a variety of sugar from this brand in any Chinese supermarkets or grocery. If you are curious about Chinese red sugar or black sugar, let me know in the comment, and I can cover that in the future video. This is a special soy sauce called touchou in Chinese. This is the first press of the soybeans and has a lighter, purer flavor. If you are aiming for a more refined and balanced taste in your dish, touchou is a great choice. But if you don't have a touchou, regular light soy sauce also works. Here's dark soy sauce. It's thicker, slightly sweeter, and gives the dish its deep, rich color. This cooking wine has additional ginger and scallion juice or essence mixed into it, designed for marinating meats, poultry, and seafoods. Can remove the gamey or fishy odors while infusing aromatic fragrance into the dish. And some black pepper and salt. Here are 440 grams of chicken legs, but feel free to use a whole chicken if you prefer. First, blanch the chicken. It can remove unwanted odors and oils from the skin. Help the chicken absorb all the flavors during marination. Just dip the chicken in hot water for about 3 minutes. Now that the chicken is blanched and cooled, it's time to marinate. Add the following ingredients to the chicken: 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, 5 tablespoons of light soy sauce or touchou, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, a pinch of salt, some black peppers, and a little bit of peanut oil. Use your hand to gently rub the marinade into the chicken. Make sure each piece is coated evenly, and let it marinate for at least half an hour. But if you have time, let it sit in the fridge overnight for even more flavor. In your rice cooker, lay down some onion and ginger slices at the bottom. Place the marinated chicken legs into the rice cooker. And add the cinnamon sticks, and the bay leaves. Drop in the slab sugar. This will caramelize as it cooks, making the sauce rich and greasy, and pour the marinated sauce over the chicken. Because I'm about to leave for 15 minutes, for safety reasons, I added a little water to prevent the rice cooker from drying out. If you are at home and can observe the cooking process at any time, you don't need to add water. but it's best to check every 15 minutes and flip the chicken side to allow the flavors to develop further. Set your rice cooker to cook for 30 minutes and let the magic happen. Look at that! The chicken is tender and infused with all the beautiful spices and soy sauce. Once it's cool enough to handle, tear the chicken into pieces. It's simple, juicy, and full of flavor, made with just a rice cooker. Top it off with a sprinkle of white sesame seed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and delicious recipes. See you next time!